Hi, I'm Will Oakes, a solicitor from Atwells, and I'm an expert in landlord and tenant law. I'd like to talk today, briefly, about Section 21 notices. As we know, an assured short-hold tenancy can only be ended by the service of a notice. If you intend to apply to court for possession, a district judge will only grant that order if the correct notice has been served at the correct time. The law in relation to Section 21 notices has become more complicated in recent years. Historically, there was no specific form of Section 21 notice, but in October 2015, the government introduced what's called a prescribed form, the 6A, and from that date onwards, it's been essential that Section 21 notices are served in that particular form. How long does the notice have to be? Where your tenant pays monthly, the notice must be at least 2 months. It doesn't have to expire on any particular day, but it can't be served within the first 4 months of the tenancy. How long does the notice last for? This ambiguity has been cleared up, and we now know that a Section 21 notice lasts for 6 months. So you must commence court proceedings within 6 months of the service of your Section 21 notice, and if you don't do that, you must serve again. Finally, there are a number of prescribed requirements that the government has introduced before a notice can be served. Those include the following. Firstly, any deposit received from the tenant or on the tenant's behalf must be properly registered, and prescribed information in relation to that deposit has to be served on the tenant. Secondly, the government's How to Rent booklet must be served on the tenant. Thirdly, a gas safe certificate must be served upon the tenant. And finally, the environmental performance certificate must be served on the tenant. So it's now essential that the tenancy is set up correctly in the first place. Over the years here at Atwells, we've helped hundreds of landlords pursue successful residential possession claims. If you need assistance in relation to notices, possession, or rent arrears, please do contact us.